Hello Falava, welcome to Tamasina Island Resort. Today we will be showing you how to make a palusami. Palusami requires baby taro leaves. So you can see this one got a different color. So these are the baby taro leaves that we're going to use to make a palusami. Palusami is one of the favorite Samoan dish of all time, and we love palusami. So baby taro leaves with coconut cream. First of all, you have to light up the umu. The umu is our earth oven where we do our earth cooking. This is how you make a palusami. Oh yeah. Turn it around like this, and then you add coconut cream. Banana leaf. And the breadroot leaf. And that is your palusami. There you have your palusami and your luau moa with taro. Enjoy.